Spice up your cooking with our homemade Southwestern spice blend. Discover the perfect blend using 3 simple ingredients: garlic powder, ground cumin, and chili powder. We're starting with garlic powder. We need 4 tablespoons. Next, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. And 2 tablespoons of chili powder. We're just going to whisk these together. This spice blend needs to be stored in an airtight container such as a mason jar or a spice jar. I have a little spice jar here. You can use this homemade Southwest spice blend on tacos, burritos, chili, fajitas, soups, and even roasted vegetables.